Well, welcome to my home. I want to share our scenic door in our backyard. We recently completed a renovation and added this 16-foot biparting slider. And it was because we have a lovely backyard. It's wooded, lots of creatures, and we wanted to see every bit of it. So let me tell you why we went with a sliding door. It is a part of a wall that is in a fairly narrow space, and in the past we had French doors that opened in and they would hit furniture, and we did not want to have any of the floor space taken up with the door, so the sliding door was a perfect solution. This door, it's a sliding door. It opens on this side, and with the flip of a switch it opens on this side. We have screen doors that'll meet in the middle. Because it is Kentucky and we have flies and mosquitoes, we might have lovely temperatures, but we don't want the creatures in. And this has just been a perfect solution and we're enjoying it so much.